Hi, this is Matt Daniel with AthensGaWeather. This is today. Today is November 21st, 2011. And today we had a high temperature in Athens of 75, and we had a low of 55. And I don't know if you've noticed, but that's shorts weather to me. Normally, for this time of year, we have a typical high of 63 and a low of 41, so we're about 15 degrees above average. Temperatures will stay warm into tomorrow, which is what's going to set us up for possible severe weather late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. The Storm Prediction Center from Norman, Oklahoma, has issued a slight risk for severe weather, which includes parts of Texas, Louisiana, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, and all of North Georgia, which includes Athens, Georgia. And as we look into the European model, I don't know if you can really see this very well, but this is Georgia, and this is an area of low pressure right up here, and this is what's going to probably bring in a line of thunderstorms in our area late Tuesday into Wednesday morning. This is a GFS model showing convection or particular storms developing in the region. This is for early Wednesday morning, showing a bunch of strong storms across northern Alabama pushing into North Georgia, and it pushes east around early Wednesday morning, and we could see values of about a half an inch to an inch of rain. But this system should pull out by Wednesday afternoon, which will eventually clear out Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. Thanksgiving Day looks beautiful, sunny skies and mild temperatures for this time of year. Now next, this upcoming weekend is another system we're looking into, storm number 2, which is going to actually come in late Saturday into Sunday. And this is sort of out 5-7 days away from now, but it's still interesting and worth looking at. This is an older version of the European model, showing a bunch of cold air digging in all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. Well, the newest European model is actually a little bit different. That cold air is no longer extending to the Gulf, but it is pushing pretty far south. Now, if you look at the GFS model, which is what the American model that we look at, it's showing just oodles amounts of cold air. And one thing about the GFS model that's worth noting, it likes to exaggerate, shall we say. So I don't know if all this cold air is going to make it this far south across the Gulf of Mexico. But it's also worth noting. But notice how there's a huge difference of pressure gradient, of not only pressure, but temperature gradient, really, showing a big difference of warm air ahead of the system and a lot of cold air. And this is what's going to cause possible severe weather this weekend. And the GFS is showing a huge squall line pushing into North Georgia early, around Sunday morning. And after that, a bunch of cold air is going to be engulfed into the eastern United States. And even some of the models are showing hints of leftover moisture hanging around. And so cold temperatures, maybe some light leftover moisture, that could spell out some snow flurries or some snow showers in extreme North Georgia and into Tennessee. Whether or not that's going to actually happen beats me. But hey, it's worth looking at and it's fun to look at. But anyways, that's just a little brief update of what to expect within this upcoming week. It looks very interesting. We got 2 days that are worth circling on our calendar for chances to see strong storms or severe weather. But otherwise, Thanksgiving and Black Friday looks beautiful with sunny skies and highs in the 60s. So have a great Thanksgiving, and make sure you follow me on Twitter and on Facebook, AthensGaWeather. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.